Legal challenges are also a major hurdle for innovation. Overlooking legal aspects can cause unnecessary hurdles if not thought through already, and as in the beginning of our project. And in terms of hurdles, this is where we could potentially get sued, be liable for something, which affects not only financially our business, but also affects our business's reputation.
Before any organization can reap the economic benefits of innovation, it must overcome a number of legal, operational, and cultural challenges. Intellectual property is generally considered the most problematic and complex issue facing companies instituting innovation programs. The potential for dispute over intellectual property rights can forestall the development of innovations. The intellectual property issue is most pressing in patent-centric industries, such as high-tech, aerospace, pharmaceuticals, and medical devices. Individuals and organizations collaborating on projects can face legal issues over intellectual property and ownership of the idea. Legal risks include the potential for future disputes over the ownership of submitted IP, especially if the intellectual property is very similar to existing internal research.
The solution here is not a very exciting one, but it is a fairly solid one, which is looking at intellectual property rights. So let's say you have a new idea and you start building out your concept. Before you go all in, it's a really good idea to do some research to figure out, has anybody else come up with this idea? Has this concept or content been patented or copyrighted? This is where we should look to employ an intellectual property lawyer or outsource this work to a firm that specializes in this. And though this will be costly, it'll save us a lot of headaches in the future. Intellectual property includes patents, trademarks, copyrights that gives the creator exclusive rights to certain aspects of innovation. As such, for this one, keep it simple, do our research, and look at employing a firm or a lawyer who specializes in intellectual property.